Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. We're back with episode 44 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Last episode actually wasn't awful. We did a good job staying on the track. Let's put it that way. And we didn't do once again awful. I'm trying to start and make it a little bit harder. We're getting a lot of practice in. Anyway, let's dive into episode 44 and let's get racing. Here we are as we hop in for episode 44 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Here we go, getting everything set away. There we go. Let's go ahead and dive right in to this episode. Over to World Circuits. There we go. Europe, Middle East, and back to Circuit de Barcelona Catalunya. Hopefully, once again, I pronounced it correctly. So over here, we're going to do the no chicane, which, okay, I see where the difference is at. I really like sunset, so we'll go back and hit sunset. Sunset, it's just enough light, but also not too dark. Let's hit these three and get at it. Now, once again, these motors are turned up a bit. Well, he bumped us up some speed there. So I'm not gonna lie, I've not played the one without the chicane yet. So we'll see how we do. Now, it's not going to be a huge difference, I'm sure, but it's a track that I don't know. However, I know majority of it, so we should be fine, I would like. There we go. Come on. They're behind the F50 as he pulls away. Come on. Trying to get in front of his beamer. Going for the corner. Braked early and gained position. That's what I'm talking about. Ran to the other Civic. There's Countach. No chicane, that was actually pretty easy. Finishing lap 1 at P8. Behind the GTR and pass. Oh, here comes the Charger. He's trying to come in hot. I don't even know what this kind of car is. We're gonna find out. A TDR Tuscan Speed. Huh. Not a clue from behind. From the front, it does look familiar. Another Charger. SRT, baby. Taking the Type R up against the SRT on a racetrack. That's what I'm talking about. P4. I got a whole lap to go too. I'm starting to like this track, at least with this car. Put it that way. Come on. stayed on the track. Let's go. So once again, as I mentioned in the last episode, as I race on iRacing, now, more realistic, less realistic, whatever. Obviously, I've been driving a lot with a front-wheel drive car, but I've done a lot on here on Gran Turismo with rear-wheel drive, the GT3 RS, and then the GT3 Cup car. Now, yeah, that's a lot faster of a lap. And I think it's just because of the chicane. However, I've been doing a lot of the 992.2, not the RSR, but of the Porsche Cup car in iRacing, and that back end comes around if you don't apply throttle or brake properly. It is ridiculous. Now, I've been told that it's similar to Assetto Corsa, but I like iRacing a lot more than I do Assetto Corsa. Couldn't tell you exactly why I didn't play Assetto Corsa long enough as I tossed the F40 off the track. I think this is a, no, not Aston, Maserati? Yeah. Gorgeous car. Sucks on braking for the training period that I had with it. But yeah, I think iRacing is a lot better than Assetto Corsa. From the little amount of time that I've played both, and I've played iRacing a lot better because it's a little bit more user-friendly in my opinion, from what I know about it. That's just personal experience. I'm trying to get ahead. I was way too late on braking. I was trying to get ahead of the Maserati here. That did not work. Come on. I'm trying to beat him. This is the last stretch. Off the track a little bit. Into the Maserati NC20. Right off the track. Ooh. Back end's coming around there. Okay, we don't yet get the Mazda, but we did the Maserati. Oh, he would have got us on that straight. And like I said, that was good. That was pretty good. Even without a chicane. Wasn't bad at all. Anyway, that was episode 44 of Racing Some Track. Some cars. Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun doing this series. Now, I know eventually it would come to an end. I know it's going to happen at some point. Even before I get through all of the parts. Either A, move on with everything, or B, I'm talking long into the future, or B, Gran Turismo 8. I don't know. Anyway, so thank y'all again for watching. Stay safe out there.